مرحبا بكم في فصلنا للغة العربية. Hi, how are you? I hope you guys are quite safe and sound. Guys, in this session, in this video, we are going to learn how to express, how to describe my daily routine in Arabic language. So guys, if you want to speak Arabic language, if you want to speak Arabic language, guys, one thing I would like to share with you that if you continue to follow my videos one by one from first video to the end, okay, you can learn Arabic, you can speak Arabic. That's my personal assurance to you guys. No need to go here and there, and no need to watch many videos. Just follow us to learn Arabic language and how to speak Arabic. Okay, so without any delay, I would like to start the video. Firstly, I would like to say you please subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new one, and please don't forget to share my video with your friends so that we could reach up to them as well. Okay, thank you. Let's start. My daily routine. So my daily routine, how to say? حياتي اليومية. حياتي اليومية. حياتي means my life. اليومية, what does it mean? اليومية means daily. Okay, so حياتي اليومية. Now the question wise, here I have told you question wise. Why? Because so that you could learn them well. If I'm writing the whole, like, I wake up early in the morning, أستيقظ مبكرا في الصباح ثم أذهب إلى المرحاض وأغسل أيدي ووجهي وأرجلي كذلك. So you can get bored. That's why I have written firstly the question, then I have written the answer, so that you could learn and you can speak and you can talk to your friends. That's why. So first question is that, when do you wake up? When do you wake up? متى تستيقظ? متى تستيقظ? I wake up early in the morning. So you will say, so here as well guys, you will have to learn word wise. When, mata. When, mata. Wake up, you wake up, تستيقظ. So finally it's متى تستيقظ. متى تستيقظ. I wake up early in the morning. So I wake up, أستيقظ. أستيقظ. Early, مبكرا. مبكرا. In the morning, في الصباح. في الصباح. أستيقظ مبكرا في الصباح. Now the next question, what did you do after waking up? What did you after waking up? So what ماذا تعمل, you do, بعد, after waking up, استيقاظ. So ماذا تعمل بعد الاستيقاظ. ماذا تعمل بعد الاستيقاظ. After waking up, I get fresh. I wash my hands, legs and face. I make an ablution. I go to mosque. So here odd by as well. After waking up, بعد الاستيقاظ. بعد الاستيقاظ. I get fresh. أنا أنشط. I wash my hands. وأغسل أيدي. I wash أيدي, my hands. Legs. وأرجلي, my legs. And face. ووجهي. Okay, so guys, one thing you will have to remember here, what that is, in case of Arabic language, we don't use comma. In place of comma, we use wa. That's the method of Arabic language. And guys, If you want to follow Arabic learning, the whole course, grammar wise, translation wise, you follow our playlist, grammar playlist and translation playlist. Go to our playlist. You can find easily, okay, and then learn. Okay, we have different playlist for Arabic spoken classes and Arabic grammar and translation classes. Okay, then I make an ablution. I make an ablution how to say ثم أنا أتوضأ ثم أنا أتوضأ. I go to mosque وأذهب إلى المسجد وأذهب إلى المسجد. Now, do you offer salat? Do you offer salat? هل تصلي الصلاة? هل تصلي الصلاة? You can say as well, هل تصلي is sufficient, but if you want to increase الصلاة, okay, then no issue. هل تصلي الصلاة? Yes, نعم, of course, طبعا. I offer salat. أنا أصلي الصلاة. أنا أصلي الصلاة. It's presumed upon every Muslim. والصلاة فريضة على كل مسلم. والصلاة فريضة على كل مسلم. نعم طبعا أنا أصلي الصلاة والصلاة فريضة على كل مسلم. Now the next question, do you recite the Holy Quran? Do you recite the Holy Quran? هل تتلو القرآن الكريم؟ هل تتلو? Do you recite القرآن الكريم, the Holy Quran? Got? Now you respond, I absolutely recite the Holy Quran. It's my duty. أنا أتلو القرآن الكريم. على الإطلاق. على الإطلاق, absolutely. وهذا واجبي, and it's my duty. When do you take your breakfast? When do you take your breakfast? So متى تتناول, do you take your breakfast? فطورك. متى تتناول فطورك. متى تتناول فطورك. I usually take my breakfast at 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. أنا أتناول فطوري في الساعة الثامنة. في الساعة الثامنة عادة. عادة means usually. Okay guys, now next. What do you take in your breakfast? What do you take in your breakfast? ماذا تتناول في فطورك؟ ماذا تتناول في فطورك? Guys, here I am Abdul Moimin to teach you Arabic language completely, and I would like to teach you spoken communication classes completely. Guys, if you need, if you want, okay, your demanded video, the topic you would like to say, please send the message in our comment box. I would like to make according to your demand. I take bread, eggs, juice and tea. أتناول الخبز والبيتزا والعصير والشاي. أتناول الخبز والبيتزا والعصير والشاي. When do you join your online classes? When do you join your online classes? متى تنظم. متى تنظم. When do you join فصولك, your classes? What? Online classes. عبر الإنترنت. عبر الإنترنت means online. Online classes. فصولك عبر الإنترنت. متى تنظم فصولك عبر الإنترنت? I join online classes at 9 a.m. So it will be أنظم فصولي عبر الإنترنت في الساعة التاسعة أنضم فصولي عبر الإنترنت في الساعة التاسعة. What do you learn? ماذا تتعلم؟ ماذا تتعلم? So you will say, I learn Arabic. أتعلم العربية. أتعلم العربية. Who does teach you Arabic? من يدرسك العربية. من يدرسك العربية. So Abdul Muhammad teaches me. So Abdul Muhammad teaches me. So it will be As-Sayyadu. As-Sayyadu. So Abdul Muhammad yudarrisuni al-Arabiyya. Where do you learn Arabic? أين أنت تتعلم العربية? I learn Arabic at interactive language classes. I guess my name is Abdul Muhammad. I'm the teacher and I'm teaching you Arabic language, and my institute's name is Interactive Language Classes. Okay, here I'm the director, as well as I teach Arabic, Uzbek and Spanish. You can take with me from beginner to advanced proficiency levels classes. Okay, so I learned Arabic at interactive language classes. أتعلم العربية في معهد interactive language classes. أتعلم العربية في معهد interactive language classes. Why do you learn Arabic? لماذا أنت تتعلم العربية? I learn Arabic because I love it. I want to speak it. I want to be a good scholar in Arabic language. أتعلم العربية لأني أحبها because I love it. وأنا أريد أن أتكلم بها and I want to speak it as well. أريد أن أكون عالما باعيا في اللغة العربية as well. I want to be a good scholar or expert scholar in Arabic language. So guys, in this video that much, the first part one for into my daily routine, how to describe my daily routine, this one part one, and in the second part two will meet you and will tell you more, okay, about my daily routine, how to describe my daily routine. Please be continue with us and don't forget to subscribe and share the video please, so that we could approach more guys who want to learn Arabic language very well and completely. Thank you.